Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawudlala against iKaizer Chiefs. Kuzobe kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga ke le bafethu. Niyayazi ke iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates. One of the biggest games in Africa bafethu. Ayikho igame efika la kule level le. Amathikithi athengwa nje i-hour lingakapheli kuphela. Izinkulu ke le game le bafethu izobe ibalekile for ama club omabili. Remember iOrlando Pirates ifuna ukureclaima position yawo lapha phezulu esicongweni ibu number 1. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukusondela laphana kwi-race ye-league. So ama team omabili awudinga ngempela u3 points kule game le. Yabo ngizokhuluma ke ngento engenza iOrlando Pirates ikwazi ukuyinqoba le game le against iKaizer Chiefs. So highlight nje izinto iKaizer Chiefs nayo engakwazi ukuthi inqobe ngazo le game le. Remember ke iSoweto derby, it's not your typical game. So ngizoqala ngeKaizer Chiefs izinto engenze iKaizer Chiefs ileke kuzona yabo izinto nje engenza ileke kuzona engadala ukuthi le game le bangayiwini kakhulu. Ngizoqala nje kubadlali yabo ngizwile ekuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs abadlali ngeke babe khona umdlalo njengesibongisene imithetho umdlalo njengesibongisene imithetho akuthiwa obajida asashaya i-fitness test ahead of iSoweto derby ngenzeka bangabi khona kule derby le inobani ibone Inacio Miguel abajida obabili basashaya i-fitness test basathestwa kahle kahle ukuthi ngabe bazokwazi ukuthi babe khona for le game labo yidlala against Orlando Pirates. Ukuthi abanye abadlali uRashwin Dudley bafethu siyamazi uDudley his last game for iKaizer Chiefs was last year. Imagine it was last year March 2025 uRashwin Dudley iyona game yokugcina ayidlalela for iKaizer Chiefs. George Motlow is another player ongenzeka angabi khona for iSoweto derby kahle kahle ngiyazi abe khona mase kuba ubani iGodaro ke striker abafethu esifike ngodumo iKaizer Chiefs but ke so far umjida usalimele usane injury ngibaze babe khona yabo ibona ke abadlali labo bawu5 labo bawu2 sebayidlala vele iSoweto derby before okomo nabo abanye yabo iGodaro kuphela bengakaza ayidlala yabo so isquad seKaizer Chiefs vele most yabadlali abakhona sebayidlala iSoweto derby sebayidlala nje iSoweto derby leyo nto ingabenza babe nayo upper hand yabo ingabenza babe nayo upper hand because most of their players they know what at stake bayazi kumele kwenziweni mase ubheka kwisikhathi seOrlando Pirates most of abadlali beOrlando Pirates abakaze bayidlale iSoweto derby even the coach himself Abdeslam Modu akaze abe part of iSoweto derby acoach abadlali bakhe for iSoweto derby so ngaba effector leyo engenza Orlando Pirates engayiwin le game le but ke ngizokhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates ke right now major boost for Orlando Pirates njengoba kubuya uTalente Mbatha and uEvidence Makgopa abajida bazoba available for i-selection njengoba beyodlala nje iSoweto derby yabadinga ngempela ke uTalente Mbatha because ever since abajida bengekho benoMakgopa team bingenzi kahle team ayenzi kahle and we need these players. If you remember isaqala isizini abajida bawu2 bebengadlali Abdeslam Modu bebengabadlalisi but ke oba introducer ku starting 11 bajida baperforma benza team iwine kahle so you need these type of players to win new games. Ngizokhuluma ngeanalysis ke game yabo igame itself the game itself remember you don't need iperformance right ukuthi uzodlala iSoweto derby you don't need iform ekahle ukuthi uzodlala iSoweto derby. iSoweto derby is one of the most unpredictable matches ever yabo ungafika la une form eshisa ngempela usuwina ama games awu7 in a row but once you play in a Soweto derby once you play in front of 90,000 fans 80,000 fans you will feel the pressure you will crumble under these fans in front of these fans you will crumble. Mistakes do happen kuma Soweto derbies yabo miracles do happen kuma Soweto derbies amagoli ongazi uyitshela uthayo kaKoro uyawabona ku Soweto derby niyababona abakhumbulo uYusuf Mat bekora amagoli bengale nyabakhumbula Thembinkosi Lodge benza imanga yabo izinto nje ezikanjalo bafethu izona ezenza iderby ibe mnandi for Orlando Pirates kule game le akumele benze izinto eziningi kakhulu akumele benze igame ibe difficult for themselves they know abakaze bayidlala iSoweto derby before yabo njengoba beya kule game le yes some may say Orlando Pirates are the favorites to win this game yes they are the favorites to win le game le in the last 5 derby matches masubhenje in the last 5 derby matches Orlando Pirates iwine most ama games ama games amaningi kulowo ama derbies esawadlalile yabo you might give it to Orlando Pirates but the last derby Kaizer Chiefs yayiwina ngosikhathi thatha iNedbank against Orlando Pirates. Coming to this game Orlando Pirates i-defense yayo ngisho mina ukuthi i-defense Orlando Pirates is strong yabo some may say i-defense Orlando Pirates ayikho strong defense Orlando Pirates is strong bafethu yabo abaconsideranga ama goals amaningi leyo ndlela igame eMamelodi Sundowns iyona game lapho khona sibona Orlando Pirates i-defense i-consider 2 goals. That's the only time we saw it defense Orlando Pirates ever since angikhumbuli ngempela ever since igame game yakwi Champions League. If ukhumbula kahle ku Champions League saconsider amagoli. Yabo saconsider amagoli angempela. Yabo angifuni nje ukukhuluma leyo game le. If so far ayikori kakhulu. Mifika nje phambili ama mistakes maningi abawenzayo. Nimbonile uDupree last game ekora kungekho isho goalkeeper. Imagine ke khona uSipho Chain. Usengakora lo muntu. It's highly unlikely, but again, we saw Dupree before scoring against Usipo Chain, scoring 2 goals against Usipo Chain. So we might see a miracle uLesotho Derby. We write off iKaizer Chiefs. Le Orlando Pirates izofuna ukudictator le game le iphathe ibhola kakhulu. Niyayazi iOrlando Pirates team ethandayo ukuphatha ibhola. Bayathanda ukuliphatha ibhola, but ke they will need their key players in order to control the game. In order to control the game, you need a player like uTalende Mbatha ozokwazi ukuyipolice igame. Igame masi-high kakhulu ubone iKaizer Chiefs isiya attack kakhulu, isifaka ipressure kakhulu. You need a player like uTalende Mbatha ozoslow down igame, akwazi adlalise ama defenders akhe, ama midfielders kiwe phambili kuyoshawa inqaku. Yabo. Izofuna ukwenza one thing. Izofuna ukucindezela bani umfuging. Izofuna ukucindezela bani umdlalo njengoTito Maswanganye. Yabo. Ukucindezela the key players be-Orlando Pirates. So kule game le, I don't think it's wise for coach athathe umfukeng ambeke as a-winger, because once wathatha umfukeng wambeka as a-winger, once waqalisa bani uTito Maswanganye as number 10, leyo nto leyo izokwenza i-Orlando Pirates ingabi effective, because once bacindezela umfukeng lapha ka left, benza umfukeng wangakwazi ukuthi aphefumule lapha kahle ka left, izodala i-Orlando Pirates usingabi effective, because sishoda i-creativity lapha left. Sizoyithola kanjani i-creativity? Ingabe sizokhuphula uDion Hoto, bese mkhuphula uDion Hoto sizo-expose leya position leya. Sizo-expose i-position leyana, mase kublenywa bani? Kublenywa i-defense, ama-center backs. No, abadlali abanjengoDupree banaso ispeed. iKaizer Chiefs izofuna uku-expose leya ndawo leya. So you need a winger ozokwazi ukuthi abe creative laphana, a-ede ama-numbers, a-ede amabhola eboxini for i-striker set ukuthi sizofika sikora amagoli. Yabo, you need a player like that ozokwazi akwenzele lokho. Once obeka umfukeng laphana as i-winger, they will double down and put 2 defenders kumfukeng. I saw that ngosikhathi sidlala iDerby last time, ngosikhathi becindezela umHaunkote. They know ukuthi Orlando Pirates inama wingers akanjani. So rather than playing umfukeng far wide, I would rather put umfukeng as number 10. Rather put umfukeng as number 10, or put umfukeng on the bench, bring him on just to change the game. But again, I would play him as number 10 umjida, asidlalele kahle lapha number 10, akwazi ukuthi create ama chances for i-team. The more umdlalisa as number 10 uyaphuthuluka, uzofuna ukumwisa. Mufuna ukumwisa, you are creating a chance for Orlando Pirates ikore ama free kick, ikore amagoli up close. iSoweto Derby akusiyona i-team ongayipredict. Iyona into engiyishoyo bafethu. Orlando Pirates miyasiyidlale nje kahle, yenze izinto ezisimple, engakwazi ukuthi iwine le game le cleanly, yabo, without any controversies, because I know for a fact there are going to be controversies kule game le. There are many things eseke sawabona before kwiSoweto Derby. If you remember the last Soweto Derby, it was not this last Soweto Derby, but ke kwi-league, yabo, you saw Tito Maswanganye falling. Tito Maswanganye pese but mfukeng, yabo, Tito ke yena washaya i-penalty. If you remember, le penalty yaphikwa ngosikhathi bedonsa uVincent Pule. If you remember that penalty, yawazi ngempela ama-controversies eSoweto Derby. If you remember the last Soweto Derby, lapho khona bedonsa uNkota ngomqala, there was no red card. There are many controversies esiwatholayo ngeSoweto Derby. I saw which kule game le ngeke kube khona into kanjalo. Yabo, last game nje there was a controversial take to referee against the Kaizer Chiefs versus Steelers. Lapho khona bephika igoli leKaizer Chiefs. I just hope le game le ngeke sithole into kanjalo, because this is a big game. Njengoba kuyi big game nje, ama-Africans azobe ibuka le game le. So we don't want to disappoint our African brothers, because siclaim ukuthi this is the biggest game in Africa. So njengoba kuyi-biggest game nje, kumele senze sure ukuthi kule game le siletha i-content yangempela, siletha i-quality yebhola langempela, sizoletha ama-sponsors. So ungangitshela wena ngokwakho, ithini i-score prediction sakho? Sithi nje i-score prediction sakho. I see Orlando Pirates winning this game ngo 2-1 or 3-1, yabo, maybe ke 4-0,